Hello, welcome back to our tutorial. Today I will talking about for loops, and I will talking about the important loop our loops in PHP. We will talking about for each we will talking about this. For each when you want to getting tables and creating loops from database, every people using for each. Okay, for each is work with arrays. We have indexed arrays and associative arrays. We didn't talk about arrays yet, so we in the next we will talking next videos we will talking about arrays and PHP. Okay, let's talking about for each. For example, I will creating an array. This array okay, array. We have an array. This array contains the countries Egypt, and contains another country as 30 and contains Saudi Arabia. Okay, it contains 4 countries: Egypt, Syria, Saudi Arabia, and USA. Not probably. Okay, I will starting this my array for each taking 2 parameters or 3 parameters. For indexed array, this indexed array, it's take the array, this take the first array and as our value. Let's echo value. Let's say the result. Okay, you can say this result. Okay, what about if we added a BR? Let's add BR here to be more clearly. Okay, we have Egypt, Syria, Saudi Arabia, and USA. Okay, this is the first for loop syntax. We have the second for loop syntax works with associative arrays. Associative arrays have a key. This is our key name, EG, equal to our country. This key equals the country. This country code or country name. Okay, in Syria, SR. In Saudi Arabia, it's KSA, and USA, United. Will be US. Okay, let's say nothing happened here. If I want to print the key of all these arrays, I will using this key, then we getting the value of this key value. You can reload, there is no any changes. How I can printing this key? Okay, I can printing this key by using a key. Let's say we have printing the key of all countries. What about if I want to printing the key of countries and the country's name? Only will do this. Create the concatenation and print the value, and let's creating this to be more clearly. Okay, EG equals Egypt, SR Syrian, KSA Saudi Arabia, and USA equals United States. This was example for using Foreach, and the next videos we will talking about database. Not the next video, after some videos, about 5 videos, about 5 next videos. After this videos I will talking about connection for MySQL. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.